Today, let's make some chunky cheese bread. To your mixing bowl, add the warm water, yeast, sugar, salt, mustard, eggs, oil, and butter. Finally, adding in the flour. Then set your mixer going with the dough hook attachment until it comes together and forms a smooth, moist, smooth, elastic dough. Move the dough and then just knead it for a couple of minutes just to bring it together before placing it into a bowl and covering it with some cling film, allowing it to cook for about 30 to 60 minutes. Remove the dough from the bowl and roll out to form a 10 by 16 rectangle. Cover with grated cheese and roll up. Cut lengthways down the centre and then cut into inch to 2 inch segments. Taking your loaf tin, add about half of the dough balls to the bottom of the tin. Cover this with a layer of cubed cheese and then top with the remaining dough balls. Brush with some melted butter and top with some Italian herb before baking at 175 for 35 to 40 minutes.